Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sophia here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the castor plant leaf. We are all aware of the great benefits of the castor oil, so today we are going to be talking about the leaf, how we can use the leaf for massive hair growth. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share, and don't forget to give it a time up. So let's go right into the video. Just like the castor seed, where the oil is extracted from, the root and the leaf of the plant is also good for hair growth. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use the leaf for massive hair growth. So there are two ways of going about this. You can either blend it and use it as a hairspray, or you cook it and use the water as a hair rinse or spray. In this video I cooked the leaf, added some fenugreek seed, and use it as a hair rinse. So join me, let's do this together. In my subsequent video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the castor oil at home and keep some money to yourself. So if you don't really know what the castor plant is, you can go back and check it. It's actually everywhere, and the seed is almost everywhere. Since the plant is everywhere, the seed is also everywhere. So in my subsequent video we are going to be doing the oil. If you are not yet part of this channel, subscribe so you don't miss all these amazing things coming your way. So guys, I've boiled this leaf for about 20 minutes. I don't want to overboil it, so just 20 minutes was okay, and the color was popping. Wait until I pour it in a bowl so you see how good it is. It looks almost like the castor oil. Guys, it doesn't smell so good, so if you are doing it, you can either add clove to it. You know, clove smells so good, so adding cloves to it will give it some sweet smell. I didn't know, this is my first time cooking it, so I think next time when I'm doing it I'm going to add cloves to it. So this is our castor water. I almost said oil. Water popping up, like the color really came and it was looking just like the oil. So guys, this is our castor plant water. So if you haven't seen it before or you haven't heard of it before, let us know in the comment section, and don't hesitate to try it. It doesn't really cost anything. The plant is everywhere. All you have to do is pluck some leaves and boil it or blend it. Until I see you guys in my next video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.